Okay, guys, we're gonna do the video.
Come.
Anyways,
Come here.
my big bag friend is trying to go.
Let's go.
Sorry. Anyways,
Let's do this.
sorry, guys. No.
Waiting. Go.
Done.
All right.
Let me get coffee first time.
What? I want.
Go. I got 87. Haha, loser.
Somebody's coming. Wait, I think they're normal. Okay, they're normal. Check them in.
Okay, he's 2% on normal, the shift 1. Anyways, guys, I'm playing with my friend. Sorry, guys, I'm glitch.
I'm told.
Guys, I'm glitch. Okay, then.
Sign them up.
Shut the heck up. I'm trying to speak. Time I cut my friend's, he speaks American.
Yeah.
So, anyway, her name is Ina.
Cut that out.
I'm joking.
We'll take your video down. So cut that part out, okay? I'm gonna take your video down. No, he doesn't need herbs.
Yeah, these days.
Oh, wait to see what.
Don't care, freak you. Why did I do it? Look, I'm right.
Am I right?
It's always be like that. Look. That one, I told you, beep. Like, you don't need one. Get another freaky customer. He's ringing so much. Okay. Shut up, big pineapple.
What's their photo? Okay, photo normal. You,
Okay.
take care of them. I need coffee.
Okay.
You're welcome.
Okay, we're done with the customer.
We healed them.
It's gonna be that one. How do you know that?
Because
What?
I felt like it.
You got the right one. Sorry, guys, I'm glitch.
Wait, no. Go scan someone in. Go get someone in. I got this person.
No one's here. There's only 2 persons.
You know what? How about?
You're the noob in the person. I'm gonna heal him.
No, I dropped it.
Eye drops. It's eye drops. See live. Number 1 is supposed to be vitamins, and number 2. Told you, look. I'm right.
No, herbs for number 1. What's that? Shutter's operational.
Who's the freaking winner?
2000. Perfect. Excellent.
That's me.
Checking patients 3.
That's me.
Wait, I need coffee first.
Oh, yeah. Oh my gosh, she's glitched. Wait, let me see the pitch. No, don't do it.
No, don't do it.
That glitch girl is
Shutters.
horrible.
Get away.
I think I'm gonna die.
Get away. Yeah.
Finally.
Okay, next person, blue, they're normal. Open shutters.
Ma'am, I can chat. Look, I can chat.
Okay, good.
Can you chat? Can you chat?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you chat together?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm opening every door so they can get through. Easy.
Sorry, I'm glitched. Sorry. Mine's like that. Okay. What? Oh, whatever, okay. Let's go see the picture.
Uh-oh, broken camera. Fix.
She's normal, okay.
Fix.
Anyways.
Camera fix.
Okay, she's going number what? 3.
Number 3.
Okay, save the person, please.
I'm ready to help them.
Ooh, ooh, ow. Okay, guys. I'm in life.
Welcome in. Do you need any help?
Sorry, my best friend is trying to help the customers.
I'm here to help you. Room 3, sir.
Okay.
I'm helping you.
So let's get her face. She's normal. Okay. Number what? 2.
I think they need maple syrup or something. Process result.
Oh no, there's an anomaly.
He has a fever.
There's an anomaly.
Okay, get them away.
Wait. Ooh.
Look. Okay.
Oh my gosh, anomaly. You see that? Oh my gosh, I'm glitched. Sorry, I'm glitched.
Help! I can't carry anything.
No, you're the monster.
Oh, I'm here. I can't carry anything.
What the fuck? How's it gonna close the freaking door?
Come. I can't.
How many percent you have?
Come. Already. Come.
You got
83.
okay. I got 80. Okay.
Come here.
I don't like that. I keep closing and then.
No, come.
What?
Somebody needs help. I can't help them.
What?
No, I'm full. I can help this guy though. Help 3. Help 3.
Just throw the trash.
No, help 3. Go help 3.
Why? You're full?
No, I'm helping too, so go help 3.
Okay, you got fever. You need medicine. Okay, we need that one. Turmo. 6. We did it. Okay, we're gonna go back to the customers. I know that. Oh my gosh. Look. I can't. Can you move, please? Please. Anyways. Oh, coffee. Oh my gosh, I got 94%.
Oh, 82.
You can have coffee next time.
Okay, good.
It costs Robux. Anyways. Oh, finally it's gone. Now it's close to going.
You run a marathon? Okay, just be careful with your ankle, okay? I hope you have a good rest of your day.
Monster. Okay, just
Make sure you're careful.
Yeah. Why you gonna fix the camera?
Oh, I will.
Okay, I will do it.
Okay.
You're fine. Look my name. My name is Blueberry Love Blue 12. If you want to add me, it's fine. So anyways,
You can add me too if you want.
his name is FINN16. Look, that's his name. My name is that one, okay?
Okay, you check people in and I'm gonna help the patients. Okay? If the coffee is open, tell me, because...
They're hungry and coffee.
Oh,
What?
how do I get rid of the red eyes?
Oh my gosh, are you so dumb? You can use the eye drops and take it off this. Okay, look it up. Look it up.
Can someone help me play?
Look it up. Yeah, I put eye drops. That's what you have to put
How did
eye
you put
drops.
eye drops?
So you just use square. You have to press it the bloody slimy eyes, and he just
Why are you hurting?
yeah. I think he's trying to attack your eyes. That's what he's trying to make you blind.
They attacked me and I helped them anyway.
I don't know. Just be quiet. Anyways. Okay, the doctor's gonna come. I think so.
So the red eyes won't hurt me anymore?
I don't know. Yeah. No, if you put him in eye drops. I'm gonna shop. Wait for me, please. There are 2 anomalies? Oh my gosh. $88. Wait, there's coffee. Look, I got coffee. I'm gonna get coffee.
No, let me have coffee.
Why? How many percent you have?
73.
I got. Oh my! No, you can have coffee right there. No. Go with coffee. It's done.
Zach, can you help me play?
The coffee's almost done.
Oh, I'm stupid.
Zach, can you help me?
Really, camera. The coffee's right there.
Room 7.
Yeah, number 7. Okay, I do number 7. You do no, okay?
These are
I don't like you die.
hell. These are hell.
Oh my gosh, so they're freaking eye drops. Look, the eyes.
I give eye drops.
But no, you're gonna lose your brain energy. I don't like it. Oh yeah.
Wait, how do you give them eye drops though?
Eye drops. I don't know. I don't like.
How do you give them eye drops?
Oh, I saw glitch. I'm so sorry, guys. What? Ah, okay, guys, I'm so dumb. Sorry.
Wait, how do you give them eye drops? Do you have
Look
to-
it up. I'm done.
You look up and then they take eye drops?
Yeah, you just have to give him eye drops.
But then they hurt me.
If you put him in eye drops, no. That's why I got 101 money because I just wait for the coffee. So sorry, I got 76%. How many you got?
83.
Look, this so. Ugh. Ew, dirty
Look,
teeth.
shutters,
No,
shutters.
wait. Why you speak like that?
This is shutters.
You have a dirty teeth.
Shutters.
I don't like dirty.
Kill our patience. No.
You trying to. Anyway, we need 4 more.
Room 7. What do you need?
I'm so tired. What do you want? Oh, yeah? Patient? You're a patient? Okay. See your father.
I'm saving your heart right now.
Yeah. Anyways. Oh, no tip. It's been 13 minutes. It's so long. Okay, he's going number 1. Now the customer's coming.
Patient in room 7 is alive. Perfectly fine.
Yeah.
Just have to wait for them.
There's an anomaly. The black girl. Look. You see that, guys? Oh. Yeah, black girl. The black one. You see that? I know you guys know that. I'm gonna put the light on. I don't like dark. Oh, so light. Oh, you're so cute. Do not look up. You will damage your eye.
Yeah, but how do I give them eye drops?
I don't know. It's in the middle. Do not look up.
I'm
Enough.
trying to give them eye
Do
drops.
not. Okay, do not. Just ignore him. He will go for next time. Drink it.
Okay, let me drink.
Coffee.
Okay, let me drink.
Going he's going number 2. Okay. Drink coffee. Going too
How do I
fast.
give them eye drops? I can't.
Ew. vomit. It's slimy. Me and the video said I'm so boring.
Just have flow.
No,
No, that's not for that.
you don't have to. He will go away next turn. He'll go away. Just ignore him.
No, I got it.
Probably no. How's it going?
Wonderful,
Let's
bestie.
go see Eli's doing. Look, he's doing great.
Yes, medkit.
Yeah, he
Someone
need-
give me a medkit.
Yeah. Okay, he needs to go.
There you go, sir. Good, recovering. Thank you. I hope you have a wonderful day.
She's going number 6.
Okay.
No, you will lose. I will do it, okay?
Well, why?
There's a challenge number.
No, it's easy. I done it before. No, easy.
It's not easy, bestie. Okay, mine is so glitched.
High voltage inside do not open. Alright, what do I have?
Some so glitched.
DNX red.
Green,
Red.
red.
Green. I got it. Let me do it.
Latina! Just lose my brain energy. I hate that. But I know Latina, but she turned a monster.
Yes.
Anyways.
Cough syrup. Give me cough syrup.
Okay.
Cough syrup.
That,
Anomaly.
that's Latina.
Stalker. Anomaly.
It's not Stalker Anomaly. That's Latina. The Ratio sister. You know that. It's going to. Okay, save number 5, please.
No, I'm saving number 6.
No. Whatever. $60.
Oh my god,
He needs.
I need so much coffee.
He needs grape. What do you need?
Kelsar. Patient recovery. Ooh, 6 is easy.
What's 6?
I'm 47 sanity. What's your sanity?
Okay then.
What's your sanity?
57.
I need more.
Why? How many you got?
47.
Really? I could raise my back. Where's my medicine? I'm trying to give it to him and then. Guys, I'm so glitched. Please don't kick out. Oh my gosh.
Coffee.
You're losing your brain freaking energy. You're losing your brain energy because you need more coffee. You want to lose my brain. That's right.
No, I need coffee.
You keep losing your brain.
What do you mean?
The ice.
How do I fix the ice?
I don't know. Just don't look it up.
You said eye drops.
Yeah, but you don't have to.
Check somebody in.
Man, hell no. I'm gonna quit. Or not. Okay, I'm not quitting. Okay. Pencils. Okay, I think we're done.
I got it.
I'm gonna wait. I'm kind of tired.
I got it.
Anyways, guys.
My friend is trying to heal the guy. Who's the winner?
Patience treated 5.
Four anomalies.
Excellent. Let's go. I got $300.
I got 175. That's
Show me something. I need something. Best? What? How am I not good?
oh, when you need that.
What?
Yeah,
What
yeah.
was it?
Because if you that would make you faster printers. That would make you fast. Look,
Extra chicken.
look, no, that would make you fast.
Okay.
Bye. Hi, Riz. Yeah, so cute.
Oh, somebody in 7. Let me help them. Oh, nope, they're fine.
My favorite character.
Well, you're welcome, sir. I hope you have a good rest of your day and hope that heals pretty soon.
Okay. Okay, let's get a computer.
Are they normal in cameras?
Yeah, they're normal. Rest you.
I hope you have a good rest of your day, sir. I hope it heals enough for you to say.
Sorry, guys.
It's good. Bye. What room? What room?
Dress you.
What's taser for?
He's going number 8.
Okay, I'm following.
No, you cannot go number 8. That's so hard for you. Yeah. Yes.
I've done it before. He dies 45 seconds, and I can fix that.
No, you can't. I could do myself.
How about we both do it?
No, you're gonna be confused. Because those.
No, I know scissors and knife, and I can.
No, these green ones. They look differences. That's what. Okay. Down first. No, don't give it to him. Don't. No.
V drops. I V drops.
Scissors.
I have scissors. Wow.
Give it to him. Meat.
Transplant.
That's my transplant. Got it. Bandage.
Get it, get it.
Did it. Magic. Get magic. Get it. Magic. That's a big bag. Get
It's
it.
not this. I V drops.
Okay, I'm gonna get to it. We did it!
You're alive! Oh my god.
Oh, thank God we're gonna die. We're gonna die.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank God, am I right?
Wait, where's the wait, wait, the taser! Look! The kill anomalies. I'm gonna take it.
Kill the anomalies. Kill them.
No, if they I mean hostages, you take it. Okay, next time we're gonna drink it.
Okay. What's your sentence?
68.
Mine 56. Ooh, we're doing
Wait.
pretty good. We're on shift 4. Oh,
So we're gonna.
you're in touch.
Wait, where he's going? Number 5. Okay.
Lights. What's happening?
Light. Oh, it's fine. Switch. His voice.
Alright, sir. Whatever feels
What's
bad,
your
I'm
name?
sure we can fix it, okay?
My
Just
friend's
remember
helping the guy in number 5. Oh, Matthew, you're fine. Okay, what's your name? What's this? Name's Ricky Santa. That's not cool. Sorry guys, I'm good.
that. You need medicine and herbs. I got you. Somebody's in 4. Okay.
What the fuck?
What happened?
Wait, which number she went? What the?
4. What?
know if I'm just glitching.
I'm running. Nope. You heal 4. I can't do it.
You can heal it.
No.
No, they're hiding, but that's enough. No, they're not. They're gonna do it. So sorry.
Good.
You're in the trap. Throw him trash. Throw him out. What the frick? He's gonna turn anomaly. Told you. If you say he's gonna turn anomaly. He's anomaly.
He's an anomaly.
Why you're taking the trash? My gosh. Well, the trash is always. Sorry, my friend is so confused. So confused.
How do you know I'm new, bro? Don't blame me.
Okay, guys. I think that's the end of the video. So, huh? What is this? My name is Sandy Hopper. Check out my trash.
Is he anomaly?
That was stacks in that you talk too much. Let's throw them in the trash. Just like that.
Why throw them in the trash? They faint.
And you can do it if you lose customers. Anyways, guys, so okay, let's go check the guys. Anyways, was and then I was stuff. I know.
Nope. Wrong.
Bye bye. He's going number 6.
Not safe. Not safe. Not safe.
I'm pink.
My sanity. In real life, my sanity is so low. Nope, not normal.
Okay, no. Do a lollipop.
It's not safe out
No.
It's not
Just
safe.
come. Go right there. Go in. I'm gonna do an lollipop, guys. Okay. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Anna lollipop. Anna lollipop. Anna lollipop. Oh. Why his teeth is so disgusting. Let's gonna run. Bye bye. I hate anomalies. I hate anomalies. And anyway, making you hands up. Okay, you got hospital. Okay. I wish we could play this game.
This game's a fun one.
Yeah, but I want to play another
Give
game.
me more adrenaline and stuff.
Now I want to leave. Okay. Guys, I have to leave. I'm so glitch. Sorry.
No, don't leave.
I'm glitch.
You could have stayed.
I'm glitch.
I can't do it my own. You know I suck at it.
You can leave.
No.
I'm glitch. Guys, I'm so sorry. I have to go.